Are you interested in following some sort of plan for the summer? A lot of times summer means no structure, you're out of routine, there's more travel potentially, or you're just kind of laying around and there's not this imposed structure that you're used to. So that can totally throw off any sort of dietary intake, which either can make potentially boredom eating increase or emotional eating increase, because you might have more access to foods outside of your routine. If that happens, I would highly suggest somehow sitting down and say, okay, maybe if one meal can be planned a day, whether that be a breakfast or a lunch or a dinner, whatever you can do inside of the home Monday through Friday can help with some sort of routine. Now, if you're traveling, maybe that is bringing a snack that you can have when you're traveling, or something that helps your body stay somewhat familiar with your nutrient intake. What can completely throw your health or any sort of digestion off is completely doing something different. So I'm all for spontaneity and, living in the moment. And if your health is a priority for you, finding some sort of ritual that is non-negotiable. However, that non-negotiable doesn't throw off connection with other people. So you want to be careful that your health stays a priority, not the priority, where you're ignoring other things to cause stress in other parts of your life. But if that is traveling with your favorite tea, if that is traveling with your favorite protein drink, if that is traveling with something that you can have access to that makes you feel somewhat grounded into what your normal routine is, see if you can try it. Now, I have traveled over summers and different things where I had no familiarity, and that definitely shifted my health. But if it's something where you have to take into consideration, or it could be fatal, or it could set you back when you get home, I would highly recommend keeping your health as a priority when you travel, or if you're staying around and local for the summer.